911 emergency, Barry 15975. Do you need police, fire, or medical?
Police.
To what address or location?
2151. Yes. 2151 Citrus Hills Avenue.
Are we going to a specific apartment number?
It's regarding apartment 1104.
Is there a building number?
I don't know what the building number is offhand.
At the Lake Tonopah Apartments?
Yes.
Do you have a gate code?
It's pound 2151.
Okay, what's going on there?
Okay, so we've had problems with this resident's guest. Right now, apparently he has a sword that he's swinging around. And this is a senior property, and I got a bunch of seniors that are really scared.
And how? Did you see it, or did someone else call you?
No, I haven't seen it, but they won't call the police on him. So they just came in, and they just asked me to call.
Okay. Control 2 William 1 TV. We are out with the subject. He is a BMA, gray shirt. He has a sword on his back in a scabbard. Hey, we're going to back off. We're just going to talk to you, okay? Okay.
Who else is inside?
Who else is inside with you? Hey, Terry, you got the radio verbals? Get on lethal.
Instead of an immediate action team, I'll have a CIT establish contact, and then we're going to go ahead and deploy a 40, have it immediately available. 615 private medical hold short. You notify the area unit K9.
Affirm, the K9 sergeant was on chance. 4K, going to be assigned to that.
Let's hook up on this tree. Let's set up right here. Right here. Right on the tree. I got the 40. You got lethal.
Coming up south.
Acknowledge units again arriving on this 413 coming from the
Hey, man!
Crossfire.
Hey, we're not mad at you, man. We just want to figure out what's going on.
At this point, he's standing on the patio, so he only has access to the interior.
Hey, bro. Get this shield out of my vehicle.
Hey, listen, we don't want to do anything to you. We don't want to hurt you. Oh, shit.
You got a gun?
He's got a gun. Fucking A. Put that hey, put the gun down, man. Sir! 413.
Get back here.
Fuck.
Got a 413?
Got a gun. Good! 413. Get back. No shot. Shots fired. Shots fired. You got a long gun, he's got a rifle. I got a shot. He's got a rifle.